Are you looking for a best laptops for mechanical engineers? In this video, I will show you the 5 best laptops for mechanical engineers based on my personal opinion and hours of research. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The 5th product on the list is the Microsoft Surface Pro 7. Next-gen power to fuel your ideas. Powered by a 10th gen Intel Core processor, and over 2 times faster than Surface Pro 6, Surface Pro 7 keeps up with you. This next-generation laptop features the versatility of a studio and tablet, so you can type, touch, draw, write, work, and play more naturally. With multitasking speed, improved graphics, amazing entertainment, quality Wi-Fi performance, and long battery life. The high-resolution PixelSense display with ambient light sensing automatically adjusts to lighting conditions. The 4th product on the list is the Dell XPS 15. Your vision more vivid. With a refined 1610 4-sided Infinity Edge display delivering 100% RGB Adobe color in brilliant detail, the new XPS 15 laptop makes everything you create more vivid. Recognized as a CES 2018 Best of Innovation Awards honoree, our black packaging trays are a step beyond recycled. 25% of the material consists of ocean plastics collected from coastal areas, while the remaining 75% is made up of other recycled plastics. 90% of the laptop's parts can be easily recycled or reused, and the white bamboo packaging trays are 100% recyclable. Fully equipped with the creative tools you need to make magic happen faster and better, so your art can be pushed to the edge. The rendering of high-resolution graphics and videos accelerates with performance-class NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 graphics. The 3rd product on the list is the 2020 Apple MacBook Pro All Systems Pro. The Apple M1 chip gives the 13-inch MacBook Pro speed and power beyond belief. With up to 2.8x CPU performance, up to 5x the graphics speed, our most advanced neural engine for up to 11x faster machine learning, and up to 20 hours of battery life, the longest of any Mac ever. It's our most popular Pro notebook, taken to a whole new level. The M1 chip makes MacBook Pro outrageously fast and powerful. Its 8-core CPU rips through complex workflows and heavy workloads, with up to 2.8x faster processing performance than the previous generation 2, all with unbelievable energy efficiency. With the brilliant Retina display, images take on an incredible level of detail and realism. Text is sharp and clear. Bright LED backlighting delivers deep blacks and bright whites. The 2nd product on the list is the Lenovo Y700. The weapon of choice for gamers on the go, the Lenovo Ideapad Y700 puts you at the center of the action anywhere. A full HD display with anti-glare and IPS technology, combined with JBL speakers and subwoofer, offer an unrivaled mobile gaming experience. Experience intense, immersive gaming. The Ideapad Y700 gives you quad-core power, discrete graphics, and a complete multimedia experience with full HD display, surround sound and subwoofer. When the competition heats up, don't worry, because the Y700 has thermal cooling for serious gaming. With the Y700, it's never been easier to get your gaming fix on the go. In the heat of the battle, underperformance is not an option. Fueled by the latest Intel Core quad-core processors, the Ideapad Y700 boasts the raw power you need to vanquish anything and anyone that gets in your way. The 1st product on the list is the Acer Aspire E15. The new Aspire E series laptops provide a comprehensive range of choices for everyday users, with many appealing features and an attractive design aesthetic that exceed expectations. Incredible performance, fast wireless with new MU-MIMO technology, and great battery life make the Aspire E series shine in any situation. Featuring the 8th gen Intel Core i5 processor, this notebook lets you enjoy more power, more battery life, and more high-quality entertainment on the go. Every detail of the Aspire E15 notebook has been carefully crafted for a clean and smooth look without unnecessary lines. Upgrades made easy. A convenient compartment door allows you to upgrade the hard drive and memory with ease. Thanks for watching this video. Please leave a like if this helped you out, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Subscribe for more content, and I hope to see you next time.